In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you on how to add video backgrounds in Framer, which could give your project an engaging and dynamic twist. The first thing to do is to locate and click the insert icon that you can find at the top menu. This is represented by the plus sign. Once you click on this, a menu will open where you will need to find the media section. What you need to do here is to drag the video component directly onto your canvas. You might need to adjust its scale, depending on the size you prefer. Now that we've added the video component to your canvas, it's time to customize and set the video properties. To do this, you'll have to steer your attention towards the right Properties panel. This is where you will upload your video file, which you can do by either uploading your video directly or pasting its URL in the URL bar. There are also additional settings for the video to function properly on your project. I suggest turning on the autoplay loop and mute options. Enabling these options will make your video play automatically, on a loop, and in mute whenever your project is viewed. Next, you will also need to set the fit property of your video. You can do this by setting it to Cover option. This will ensure that your video naturally fills in the space and size of the component without any awkward cuts or stretches. After the video properties are set, we move on to positioning the video. To accomplish this, click your newly added video component to select it. Again, you'll have to go to the right Properties panel, the same location where you set your video properties earlier. Upon opening this panel, set the position to Absolute by checking on its option. This setting, in combination with setting width and height properties to a 100% and pinning all sides to 0, will make your video fit perfectly into your canvas, leaving no space unoccupied. Finally, for the video to become the background, you need to shift the layer of the video. You have to navigate to the Layers panel located on the left side of your screen, and then move your video layer all the way down to the bottom. This action will push your video to the bottommost layer, making it the background of your project. With that, you've successfully added a video background in Framer. By following these steps, you can make your projects more visually compelling, engaging, and dynamic. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, adding video backgrounds should eventually become a breeze the more you continue to use Framer. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and until next time, happy designing.